Hello everyone. Today in this video, we will make a sentence with these words. So let's making. Bright. The sun is bright today. Chair. Please sit on the chair. Fast. The car is very fast. Day. Today is sunny day. Night. I sleep at night. Apple. I eat an apple. Egg. I had an egg for break. Cold. The water is cold. Flower. The flowers smell so good. Morning. The sun rises in the morning. Beautiful. Islamabad is a beautiful city. School. I go to school with my friends. Mother. My mother is very good. Sky. The sky is clear today. Black. My favorite color is black. Class. I study in class 7. Pen. I use a pen to write in my notebook.